A completely frozen or unresponsive Cadillac CUE screen can be fixed instantly without a dealership visit. Simply press and hold the power button on the center console for exactly 10 seconds. This quick step forces a hard reboot and usually restores full touch functionality. The CUE system is essentially a computer that runs continuously in the background to keep features like the backup camera ready. Just like your smartphone or laptop, its software can occasionally lock up or develop minor memory glitches over time. Holding that power icon button cuts the temporary power cycle and clears out those software errors. Once you hold it for 10 seconds, the screen will go completely black before the Cadillac crest reappears to indicate a successful system initialization. If the 10-second button method does not work, you can try the driver door reset trick. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine, open the motorized CUE faceplate, and then turn the vehicle off while leaving the faceplate open. Next, open the driver's side door and leave it open for about 60 seconds. This allows the retained accessory power to completely drain from the vehicle modules. You will often see the instrument cluster gauges dip down to 0 when the reset completes. Finally, close your driver door, start the engine normally, and lower the faceplate. Your touchscreen should now respond perfectly to all inputs. If the screen remains unresponsive or looks shattered underneath, the digitizer gel has likely failed and requires a hardware replacement.